Thank you for joining us today on Digital Atoms. In today's video, we will be replacing the Sentry mode storage. Before we get into the installation, let me just say that I have a 2022 Tesla Model 3 long range, and they used to have a data port in the storage compartment in the middle, and now the only one that they have is the one that's in the glove box. So in today's video, we will be installing some devices so that we can now have that data port again. And that device is, we have a Jawa 3-port USB dash cam hub, and at time of purchase that was $35. We also have a SanDisk UltraFit 512 gigabyte low profile flash drive, and the reason for that is because I want to store some of my music on that, because the bit rate and the sound quality will be much higher than my Bluetooth can handle. And then we will be replacing the storage with this Samsung Pro Endurance high endurance for video monitoring 256 gigabyte. The one that comes with the Tesla is only 128 gigs, so I wanted to give myself some more storage. And the reason why I went with this Pro Endurance one is because it's made for surveillance cameras, and it's made to overwrite the data over and over and over again. So therefore it should last longer. At the time of making this video, this was $47.29, and my SanDisk 512 gigabyte flash drive, that was $47.29. And then we also have a SanDisk micro SD card reader, and this was only $12.59. If you were to get these three devices right here for your the replacement on your Sentry mode, that would be roughly $91. And if you wanted to get this for your music, and the reason why I got a low profile so it doesn't stick out as much, that would be $47.29. One of the first things we're going to do is we're going to remove this Tesla USB stick. And as you can see, it is 128 gigs. And here we have your Jawa 3-port USB dash cam hub. And that is so that here on the side we can utilize this for your dash cam. And then on top it gives us 2 more USB ports so that we can either use that for a wireless Bluetooth controller, or you could add another USB stick for your boombox, or to, in my case, I will be adding my USB flash drive stick and putting that in there for my music. And so, first thing we're going to want to do is install this, and it just plugs right in there. And I've placed my 256 gigabyte Samsung micro USB, and what I'm going to do is now insert it into the Sentry mode port, and it should then prompt me on my screen to format the drive and get it ready. And if we come over here on my screen, on our safety, it says to format USB drive. So I'm going to tap that. All the data on this drive will be permanently deleted. The drive will be formatted as an exFAT for the use with the dash cam. Are you sure you want to? And absolutely. All right. And it's literally just that easy. Now our footage that our Sentry mode records will now be stored on our micro USB drive. And one way to tell is that our Sentry mode light is on, so it is currently working, and we should be all set. The only thing now that I have left to do is to put my music on my 512 gigabyte storage that I will be inserting into the top of the 3-port hub. And that way I can listen to my music at a high bit rate. That way it can utilize this nice sound system that comes with our Tesla. That pretty much wraps up today's video. If you have any questions, please comment below. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Press that notification button so that you'll get the notification when I make new videos. And we shall see you on down the road. Adios.